Alright, how's it going? So right now I'm going to show you a little two parts. The first part is how to cut a dragon fruit to encourage it to split off and promote sort of an umbrella. So right now this is El Güero and it's very large and it needs to be pruned back. And I want to get two cuttings out of it, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So first off the bat, I'm going to cut it right about here. This is a very resilient dragon fruit, red variety. So now that I've cut it like so, it's gonna encourage it to bud and create new growth. And then now I'm gonna take this nice cutting and I'm gonna show you a little hack. All right, we'll see you soon. So the next part is I'm going to take this cutting and I want two root stalks off of it. Well, actually one I'm going to put into the plant and then I'm going to take one for a root stalk. So again, I'm going to cut it now here. Okay, now the trick is, and what we're going to do is we're going to just get the stem out from right there. See it? So I saw online and some pictures of dragon fruit farming and I saw all these perfect cuttings and I zoomed in on the picture and I saw it looks like they did this. And then I saw the Spicy Exotics did the video on it as well. But I just thought I'd show you my version since I have this big giant El Güero cutting. So there you go. I mean, you get the idea. I'm gonna perfect it a bit and repeat it on the other one. But it's as simple as that. Let it dry out a bit. And that's a great way to have a little flesh to stem hack for your dragon fruit. So there you go. And I'll show you the final part in just a second. Okay, so there's part 3. There you go. Not perfect right there by any means, but it will get the job done. What you want to do is just let it sit there in the shade, is what I do. Full shade for a week or two until it calluses over or scabs over, and then you can just plant it in soil. Now, what you also want to remember is that if you get it turned around, you need to look carefully at the thorns, and just remember that the thorns are always going to point up in the up direction. So you see that there? So if you get it turned around, make sure the thorns point up and you should be good to go, especially on a cutting like this one, a middle section, because you don't want to plant it upside down. Even though those roots look like that'd be the right way, nope, gotta do it this way. So after they callus over, you could put them in some well-draining soil, and you could even give Flea a new haircut if you wanted. But don't plant them right now, just make sure that they fully callus over and dry. All right, there you go. Give us a like, subscribe. We'll keep more videos coming. Have a great day. Bam. Dude, it's creepy.